Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is teacher Nisma and you are watching Arabic for All. In today's video, inshallah, you will learn the types of plural or الجمع in Arabic. So let's begin. الجمع in Arabic has two main types. الجمع السالم, the sound plural, وجمع التكسير, the broken plural. الجمع السالم or the sound plural is named after this because it keeps the singular noun as it is. It doesn't change the structure of it. While the broken plural or جمع التكسير breaks the noun. It changes its structure. الجمع السالم also has two main types. جمع المذكر السالم, the masculine sound plural, وجمع المؤنث السالم, the feminine sound plural. Let's see each one in details. جمع المذكر السالم comes only with nouns that refer to men, human beings, not things. So, men names or adjectives that don't end with ta مربوطة can pluralize using this form. It's formed simply by adding una or ina to the singular form of the noun. For example, مسلمون مسلمون. I add واو نون at the end, preceded by dhamma on the last letter. Or إينا, like مسلمين. I add a ياء نون at the end, preceded by كسرة on the last letter of the singular noun. But how to decide which one to use, the una or the إينا? Nouns that are in the nominative case or حالة الرفع that deserve ضمة at the end should take واو نون, una. However, nouns that are in the genitive case or in the accusative case, حالة الجر or حالة الرفع, that means they deserve كسرة or فتحة at the end, should take إينا or ياء نون at the end in their plural form. And we already learned it before how to decide if this noun deserves فتحة or ضمة or كسرة by knowing its position. If it's مبتدأ or خبر, for example, we take ضمة. If it's مفعول به, we take فتحة. If it's اسم مجرور, we take كسرة. Here are more examples. مدرس, one teacher. مدرسون, teachers, for males, or also the mixed groups, males and females. كاتب, one writer. كاتبون, writers. مهندس, an engineer. مهندسون, engineers. صادق, honest. صادقون, honest, but for plural. Here you have to know that in English, adjectives have no plural form. So when you say an honest man or honest men, honest is still the same. But in Arabic, adjectives also have plural form. So if I want to say honest teachers, I should use مدرسون صادقون, because the adjective should agree with the noun it describes in Arabic, in its number and its gender. There are also some exceptions to this rule. Some nouns that, despite meeting the requirements of this type of جمع, they don't pluralize by adding واو نون or ياء نون at the end. For example, طالب. طالب is a student, a male student. If I want to say students, I can't say طالبون. This is irregular one. It should be طلاب. طلاب, students. طبيب. طبيب is a doctor. If I want to say doctors, I can't say طبيبون. No, it's أطباء. أطباء. This is an irregular case. سيد. سيد is a master. سادة. سادة, masters, not سيدون. These exceptions should be learned as they are. There is no rule for them. So when you learn any new word, you should learn its plural form also, to know if it follows the rule or it has an irregular plural form. The next case is جمع المؤنث السالم, the feminine sound plural. Unlike the previous form, the feminine sound plural can apply to feminine nouns that can be humans or things too. This plural is formed simply by removing the ta marbuta at the end if there is and adding alif ta for the singular form. آتٌ or آتٍ. مسلمات or مسلمات. Use the first ending آتٌ if the noun is in حالة الرفع or deserves ضمة at the end. And use the second ending آتٍ if the noun is in the حالة الجر or حالة النصب, deserves كسرة or فتحة at the end. Let's see more examples. مدرسة, a female teacher. مدرسات, female teachers. We removed the ta marbuta and we added the suffix at the end. كاتبة, a writer, a female writer. كاتبات, female writers. مهندسة, a female engineer. مهندسات, female engineers. صادقة, honest when you describe a female. صادقات, also honest, but when you describe a group of females. Some nouns that are not feminine or don't have ta marbuta can pluralize using the same ending at the end. For example, مطار, an airport. مطارات, airports. However, مطار is masculine, but its plural form is using the at, the feminine ending. مستشفى. مستشفى is a hospital. It's feminine but not having ta marbuta. Its plural is مستشفيات. We changed this weak ya into a strong ya. The alif مقصورة into a normal ya. امتحان, a test. امتحانات, tests or exams. Also, you have to know that not all nouns end with ta marbuta can pluralize using this rule. Some of feminine nouns end with ta marbuta have irregular forms of plural. So today we have learned جمع المذكر السالم that ends with واو نون or ياء نون. And also we learned جمع المؤنث السالم that ends with ألف تاء. Please leave us in a comment examples for جمع مذكر سالم, the masculine sound the plural, and جمع المؤنث السالم, the feminine sound the plural, to help us know if you really understood our lesson for today. And in the next video, inshallah, we will learn جمع التكسير. مع السلامة.